Hello, everybody. My name is Robert Fair, and I'm the founder of the Frankenwallet project. The Frankenwallet has evolved since 2020 after its conception to support the security and privacy requirements of the COSD Cardano stake pool. Since then, the original purpose of the Frankenwallet has been extended to less rigorously secure configurations, which here we're calling the cool configuration due to limited internet access, while the complete absence of internet access creates a cold or air-gapped environment. The cool configuration is mainly to support user asset storage in browser-based wallets and to provide a more secure and private platform for interacting with dApps and crypto exchanges. There won't be much to illustrate here about the installation of the cool Frankenwallet, since there's the same process as for the cold option: creating an encrypted drive to store all your user files, and, very importantly in this case, installing LibreOffice to maintain encrypted documents that can be stored on the host system. It's also especially important for the cool configuration to adjust the browser settings for maximum security and privacy according to the Firefox checklist here, or whatever browser and its own latest resources for browser hardening you'd prefer to use. And so we diverge from the cold or air-gapped environment when we deliberately choose to leave the internet connected by not turning the internet off at the stage when the Frankenwallet is completely set up. From the point you do this, the quality of your security and privacy is determined by your own self-restraint. If you avoid using internet search and logging into websites, the Linux instance of your Frankenwallet will basically look like an endpoint for your crypto wallets alone and not associate these with any identifying information in the real world. This means no searching in a browser for a crypto wallet to download or the name of a dApp website, and no asking for help on Telegram or using any email or social networking website, etc. Any searching or research should be done on the host system only. Just record the correct links and procedures into files, or perhaps saved web pages, stored in the host folder where you can access them in the Frankenwallet, like in a Scratch file as explained here. This will be worth the inconvenience because now you'll have an overall security advantage by bringing your host system and its files together with the ability to strongly encrypt files that can securely store your wallet passphrases using passwords that are never entered on the host machine and so can't be intercepted. If you have doubts that the encryption standard or software integrity are strong enough to completely secure passphrases for valuable crypto wallets, please have a look at the analysis and references on this website page, where all these standards are objectively reviewed. If you're satisfied, you'll now be free to install the browser-based wallets for your favorite blockchains. And this time, as you accumulate wallet passphrases, you can designate a file to accurately paste the passphrases into after reliably copying them from your wallet software. As linked in our security review, the LibreOffice Save with Password option will keep a file with AES-256 encryption, and therefore will be acceptable to save anywhere on the disk of your host machine, not just on the encrypted Frankenwallet disk, and to include in your regular system's backups, even if these are made over the internet. The combination of Linux desktop convenience, open source tools for hard encryption, and the ability to back up keys and records are intended to make the cool Frankenwallet a compelling alternative to commercial hardware wallets. Thank you for your support of the Frankenwallet, and I look forward to hearing your feedback through the general community and on the project repository.